You want to take a shower?
Take a bath?
Why not?
Cause,
Because of what, Gabby?
cause,
Because of what? Why don't you want to take a shower? You want to take a bath? Why do you want to take a bath?
don't like take a bath.
Why not? Gabby, why don't you want to take a bath? Are you going to answer me? You want to take a bath?
No,
Why?
cause,
Huh? I think you should take a bath.
No,
Why not?
cause,
Because of what? Because of why?
why?
Why don't you want to take a bath? What? You want to go outside? Then you got to take a bath.
Don't like take a bath.
Why not? Because you want to go outside? But you can't go outside until you take a bath.
I don't like take a bath.
How about a shower? You want to take a shower?
No.